title of this story: Tortoise's Downfall. A quaint hut in a far-off land, Tortoise, a cunning creature, lives with his wife. Tortoise works diligently in his farm, dreaming of a more comfortable life. A massive flock of birds flies overhead, catching Tortoise's attention. Tortoise, shouting, "Hey, what's happening?" Dove and a few birds land, explaining the grand party in heaven. Tortoise, excited, "Whoa, I want to go. How do I go about it?" Dove and birds offer flight feathers to make wings for Tortoise. With makeshift wings, Tortoise soars into the sky. Heaven's gates open, revealing a spectacular banquet hall with abundant food. Tortoise, smiling, "I have a plan." Tortoise then divides the birds into all of you and all of us groups. Tortoise goes ahead and manipulates the situation, claiming the feast was for all of you only. Dove and birds, furious, pluck their feathers back and leave. Tortoise, now unable to fly, begins to plead for a cushioned landing. 3 days later, Mrs. Tortoise gathers sharp items as instructed by Dove. Dove informs Tortoise that the soft bed is ready. Tortoise, oblivious, continues feasting. Tortoise then jumps, shattering his shell on the sharp objects. This impact is heard throughout the land. After his shell shattered, Tortoise reflects on his gluttony. And so, Tortoise's greed cost him more than just a feast in heaven. Instead, it cost him his prized shell. The end.